Good morning, students. Today I will take a new chapter on the hydrocarbons. See, hydrocarbons, two words are there. One is hydrogen, other is carbon. It means compounds of the hydrogen and the carbon, they are called as a hydrocarbons. Now carbon has a unique property of catenation, and it has 4 electrons in the outermost orbit and form the covalent bonds. So due to the catenation property, it combines itself with the carbons and form the long chains. Now here, depending upon the carbon-carbon bond, we divide hydrocarbons, that is saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, and the aromatic hydrocarbons. In the case of the saturated hydrocarbons, when carbon-carbon join together with a single bond, forming, it may be open chain or closed chain, these are called as the alkanes. So in the case of the saturated hydrocarbons, carbon-carbon join with a single bond, forming a open chain, branch chain, are the closed compounds. For example, methane CH4, ethane C2H6, then propane CH3H8, and so on. And if we talk about the branch chain, that is 2-methyl propane, and here 5 carbon atoms, they form a chain of the 5 carbon atoms, and here 6 carbon atom, they form a closed chain, that is hex chain. So these are the saturated hydrocarbons, and their suffix is ane, that is alkane. So alkane means in the last suffix is K and E. Now these are the compounds having carbon-carbon single bond. They are the less reactive in nature and undergo only the substitution reactions. And if we talk about the general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of the carbon atom. So saturated hydrocarbon means when carbon-carbon, they have a single bond, that is covalent bond between the carbon atoms. Now in the case of the unsaturated hydrocarbons, it means carbon-carbon may have the multiple bonds. That is, carbon-carbon bond, it may be double bond or it may be triple bond. So unsaturated hydrocarbon means when the carbon atom, they have the multiple bonds, means it may be double bond or it may be triple bond. In the case of the double bond, when carbon-carbon join with the double bond, for example, it is ethylene, and when the carbon-carbon join with triple bond, that is ethyne. So in the case of the double bond, suffix is -ene, while in the case of the triple bond, suffix is -ine. So it is ethylene, it is ethyne. If we take, that is but2-ene, or if we take the triple bond, that is example propyne. Now in this case, general formula for the case of the double bond, that is CnH2n, and in the case of the double bond, Cn H2N minus 2, and the suffix for the double bond is in, and the suffix for the triple bond, that is I. Now these are the most reactive compounds because double and the triple bond is, so they undergo addition reactions. Listen, the saturated hydrocarbons, they are less reactive. Generally they undergo substitution reactions, but in the case of the unsaturated hydrocarbons, they contain multiple bond, that is double bond and the triple bond, and these are the most reactive compounds. They undergo addition reactions. Now third is aromatic hydrocarbons. These are also known as the aroma. Here contains hexagonal ring of carbon atoms with 3 alternate double bonds. Aromatic hydrocarbons, which contains hexagonal ring of carbon atom with 3 alternate double bonds. For example, that is benzene, 6 carbon atom, that is hexagonal ring with alternate double bonds. Here that is toluene, and here it is ethyl benzene. So hydrocarbons, that is the compounds of the hydrogen and the carbon. So today I explained just the fundamental properties of the, that is hydrocarbons. It may be saturated hydrocarbons, it may be unsaturated hydrocarbons, and it may be aromatic hydrocarbons. Now I will continue to give you the properties of the saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, and the aromatic hydrocarbons in my next videos. So please go through my all the videos of the hydrocarbons. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.